My husband making fun of me. Habs is trying to be in the backlog. Oh, there you go. What are you doing in there? Huh? The mouth of yours. What are you doing? He's going to work today. Not good. Busy day today, hon? See? Don't bother. Good morning, my boy. Oh, there you go. I opened the window and they're all in there. I don't know if Dimples. I don't see Dimples. Hi, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Update about my arm, guys. It's getting better. I told you we went call the doctor. When we called the doctor, what happened was there's a message. What happened was they don't have a vacant, so they're busy. We were planning to do it Monday, this coming Monday. Today is Saturday. My hand is getting better. Look, there's nothing. This dried out already, but still red because you know I itch all the time because it's getting better, so it's itching more. I decided if the doctors there's no vacant next week, so that means I'm not gonna do it. The first thing what I did that I noticed is getting better when I was on the tab. On the tab, I put the cherry blossom very little, and then I put the Dawn soap. I pour it in there a lot. It's like too foamy, and like I put a lot of that because I saw online. I went online and looked, and it says Dawn soap. It's good for like poison ivy oil because you know Dawn is good in oil like grease or stuff like that. So I did that, and I have a washcloth, and then that's what I've been rubbing on my skin. I rub my whole body in it, and then I noticed when I get out, I put this thing. I like this one. I don't know, I don't care if it's kind of pink color, but it's really working, so that's what I did. I noticed the difference after that. Misty, come here. Ooh, I dropped my phone. Come here, Rox. Misty. What is it, Rox? What's wrong? Good morning, guys. It's raining. It's a rainy day. That's why I wear this big sweater. Big sweater.
Not cold, it's just rainy.
Yeah, it's just rainy, but I need to wear this to cover up my hand. We're not able to make an appointment for the doctor. And what's wrong with that, hun?
With what?
The doctor?
For me?
No, for you and me. For me, they don't have a
They
vacancy.
said call today. For me, he can't do it.
Okay, so I'm not gonna do it because you know what? It's getting better now.
I
And
gotta find another doctor. I need to get that paperwork done.
yeah, you need to. I thought he will help you.
He didn't get himself recertified. He didn't want to spend the money. I don't know. Didn't want to take the time to do the course. Whatever.
So you are the one doing that, or his secretary?
He needs to be certified for the state to allow him to.
I know, but I thought he will look for another doctor for that.
No, he won't.
He won't. We're on the way, guys. Forget about everything on my thing. It's getting better. It's not bad. But anyway, we're on the way to the house. And the cloud is really bad. It's been raining since this morning. Like I hear the rain like o'clock, I heard the rain, and it's really nice to hear while you're lying down. The rain is nice, but the cloud is very dark right now. I'm still watching the show, guys, in the wall. Right. And also, I'm done with my. Huh? Huh? Okay, that is not cut off. Oh yeah. How about over there? Oh. Oh yeah. So that's the way it is. So this is what it looks like, guys. Looks like very boring food. Very boring. This is eggplant and baby spinach. And yeah, so but it's really tastes good. It's not boring. We called it like tinola, not tinola. Not tinola, not tinola, not lauoy in Bisaya. I'm sorry, there's a lot of stuff on my clothes, like white stuff. This is not dandruff, guys. My husband told me it's dandruff. He's in person, he can see it, the different. Oh my god. And yeah, it's not the dandruff. It's like the jacket that I wore. Huh? I'm not dandruffy. Look, this is a cloth, the jacket that I wore at the thing. Anyway, and I make some dipping sauce. I make some, tusluanan, guys. Huh? I did. So I made this one. This is vinegar and a little of soy, very little of soy, but a lot of lime juice. The lime juice. My husband making fun of me. Look at lime, guys. This is the lime, baby limes. It's very nice. Seems like you have a small lemon. This dipping sauce is really good. Miss my mom. She make that all the time. Right? Your mother-in-law, honey. Your...
Oh, look at what my hair is. Get me out of the camera.
I love you, B-boy. Up, 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 up. Look, I'm watching this because this is a unit. It's really nice. Show. What did you do? Did you hear that, guys? Oh my god, honey, what is that? Palachika, palachika, palachika. I'm going with this carry me, Michelle, carry me, Michelle. I don't know what kind of song is that, but anyway, guys, it is. I think it is already 7 something. I think. And I remind also my husband to open this, to bring the pillows, because my sister-in-law and her daughter are coming to the house tomorrow from Denver, and we have extra pillows here. Now I don't know where it is because we don't have enough pillow there now. So what did I do? What did I do? Honestly, I'm out of my mind. That's crazy. I know we have extra pillow here. Oh, it's right here. Oh my god. You're right here. We have 2 extras. This one right here. For my sister-in-law and her daughter. And the kid to use. Hi guys. Just wash my face. And we're heading to bed. We're heading to lie down in bed, which is the floor. We don't have a bed, we have a floor. See, floor. There you go, our floor. That's the floor. And getting all the laptop in here. I'm going to charge my laptop. Oh no. Bayho mo day, bayho mo day. Daw dughan ko, daw mo buto. Diyos ko day, Diyos ko day. Hold on guys. Ay, goodness. We're going to lie down, guys, and What else? What else? What else? Anyway, guys, good night, guys. I will see you in my next vlog, guys. Good night. Good night. I will call it a night and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.